You want to say that again? The Home Depot has what? Fans that what? That I love? Oh. Is that right? The big dollars.
Here's my video. Here's what we have.
Yeah? Oh, somebody's mighty mango didn't get finished. Okay. Smells like wood. Cut wood. That's what it smells like. It's not that. Okay, it's not that. Alright, never mind. Always with the teens, man. Alright, buddy.
Let's not turn on that one because it's too wobbly.
Too wobbly?
That one because it's too wobbly.
Wow, this one's kind of nice, huh? But it looks like the bottom part's a little too industrial. Weird. Kind of reminds me of a submarine. It's nautical, in a way. The Escape. Well, this one's cloth, which means it'll probably get dirty real fast. What does this one say? What does this say? Oh, okay. All right. What does this say? Home decorations collection? Yeah. And this one? What's that? What does that say? No, read it. Read it. Read it. Sound it out. Hunter. See, you're not reading it. You're just assuming that it starts with an H. It has to be that. Come over this way. This one. What's this one?
Bay.
That one says Hampton Bay. Hampton Bay.
Now.
What does this say? Clarkston. Alright, come on. We better get Mama. Mama's not feeling good. We gotta go, buddy. Okay, let's look at these real fast.
He has a broken fan.
That's a broken fan. Look, this one's really cool. We're here again. It's gonna be like 20 of these videos. Maybe we'll put some music to it or something.
What video is this?
Alright.
Can we turn on that fan?
No. No, we cannot turn on that fan.
Let's turn on that fan.
No, we cannot. But they have one up there. That's turned on. Come on. Let's go look at the one way, way, way up there. Come on. Come on. Hurry. They might turn it off. We gotta look at it. There it is. That one's on. Back there. And probably another one over there.